guys, today I'm going to solve this cube. Just to show you dumbasses, it's solvable by a retard like me. Let me scramble it a little bit. I'm not looking at it, so it's being scrambled. Alright, now let's solve it. Start time. Let's look at it for a second, and start time.
Don't you wish your girlfriend was hot like me? Don't you wish your girlfriend was a freak like me?
Damn, it's taking too long to solve this.
Don't you?
Yeah. Damn it, it's taking too long.
It's 52 seconds. 54.
Stop it, stop counting. Alright, now it's going to be quick.
Oh, you just made that now?
You sure the camera's on the cube and it can see the cube?
Yeah. A minute and 10 seconds. 15. 16.
I had to film. So filming takes about like 15 seconds.
Alright, fine.
You see the cube, right?
Yeah.
Yo, you retarded.
Yes, I'm cutting the cube into pieces.
Taking too long.
I have no fingers.
Yo, what are you doing? Can it still see me solving the cube?
Yeah.
Yo, it's taking too long, isn't it?
2 minutes and 5 seconds.
Yeah, that's mad long. I mean, guys, I could solve this thing in about a minute and 30 seconds. It's just a little stressed out right now because, well, I haven't been high today. When I'm high, I could probably solve it in a minute. Done.
2 minutes and 22 seconds.
That's what's up. Take away 20 seconds because of the filming. Alright, stop it.